Have you ever considered the power that lies dormant within your brain? Indeed, the human brain, this 3-pound mass of jelly-like substance, is the most complex structure in the known universe. It's an intricate network of approximately 100 billion neurons, each intricately interconnected with thousands of others, forming an awe-inspiring web of over 100 trillion synapses. It's no wonder neuroscientists are still trying to unravel the mysteries that lie within its depths. Yet there's much untapped potential in this enigmatic organ. We've all heard the myth that we only use 10% of our brain. While that's not entirely accurate, it is true that there's a vast expanse of our brain's capabilities that we're yet to fully comprehend, let alone harness. One such fascinating concept is that of neuroplasticity. This is our brain's remarkable ability to adapt and change throughout our lives. It's not just about learning new things or remembering facts. It's about how our brain can reorganize itself, form new connections, and even rebuild itself to an extent after damage. It's the reason why someone who has lost sight can still lead an independent life, or how a stroke victim can relearn to speak and move. Yet, neuroplasticity is just the tip of the iceberg. There are ideas about how our brain might be capable of things that seem almost supernatural, like telepathy or controlling objects with our minds. While these concepts are still in the realm of science fiction, the fact that we're even considering them shows the vast potential that could lie within our grey matter. And then there's the question of consciousness. What is it really? How does a bunch of electrical impulses and chemical reactions translate into thoughts, feelings, and self-awareness? It's one of the greatest mysteries of neuroscience, and one that we're still far from solving. Imagine what we could achieve if we could unlock even a fraction more of our brain's potential. It's an exciting thought, isn't it? As we continue to delve into the hidden depths of our brain, who knows what remarkable secrets we may uncover. How much do you think your genes define you? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? The answer is quite a lot, yet not all. Our genes are the script of our biological story, determining everything from the color of our eyes to the shape of our noses. They are the unseen architects that mold our physical appearances and play a significant role in our health, influencing our susceptibility to diseases and conditions. But the realm of genetics is not just a straightforward blueprint, it's a complex, multi-layered puzzle that scientists are still trying to decode. Take, for example, the enigma of junk DNA. This seemingly useless part of our genetic material, which makes up a staggering 70% of our DNA, doesn't code for proteins. For a long time it was considered a biological debris, a byproduct of evolution. But recent research suggests that this junk DNA might have critical functions such as regulating the genes that do produce proteins. It's like finding out that the discarded scribbles in an architect's notebook actually hold the key to understanding the entire building plan. And then we have the fascinating world of epigenetics. If you think of your DNA as a film script, epigenetics is like the director's annotations in the margins. These chemical modifications can turn genes on or off, affecting how they function. Intriguingly, these changes can be influenced by our environment and lifestyle choices, and even be passed down from generation to generation. So while our genes might set the stage, it's the epigenetic factors that often direct the play. And herein lies the beauty of genetic science. It's a constantly evolving field, where each discovery peels back a layer of the intricate tapestry that makes us who we are. Our understanding of genetics has come a long way, but there's still so much left to explore. Our genes are like the blueprint of our lives, holding secrets we're only beginning to understand. And as we continue to unravel these mysteries, we get closer to comprehending the complex symphony that is human life. Did you know there are phenomena within your body that even medical science can't fully explain? Let's delve into some of these medical marvels, beginning with the placebo effect. This is when a patient experiences a real improvement in their condition after receiving a treatment that's essentially just a sugar pill. It's as if the mere belief in the treatment's power somehow triggers the body to heal itself. The placebo effect is a testament to the strength of our minds and their intricate connection to our physical health. Yet it remains a tantalizing enigma to scientists. Next, we have spontaneous remission in cancer patients. This is when a malignant tumor inexplicably shrinks or disappears without any medical intervention. It's as if the body suddenly decides to put up a fight and wins. These cases are rare and their causes largely unknown, but they offer a glimmer of hope and a reminder of our body's incredible resilience. Then there's the mystery of consciousness. It's the essence of our existence, the very thing that allows us to experience and interpret the world around us. Yet, despite advances in neuroscience, we still don't know how our brain creates consciousness. Is it a product of complex computations among billions of neurons? Or is there more to it that we're yet to discover? This profound enigma continues to baffle scientists and philosophers alike. Moreover, there are numerous other phenomena that remain shrouded in mystery. For instance, the gut-brain axis and its role in our mental health, the inexplicable phenomenon of phantom limb syndrome in amputees, and the curious case of people waking up from comas speaking languages they've never learned. Our bodies are not just biological machines. They are intricate systems intertwined with our thoughts, emotions, and perhaps even our spirit. They are capable of feats that science is yet to fully comprehend. So, while we may not have all the answers, one thing is clear. Our bodies are truly a marvel, filled with mysteries that continue to baffle the medical world. Did you know you possess abilities that could be considered superhuman? Let's delve into some of these hidden capabilities that reside within the depths of our human body. First, let's tackle the surprising strength we can display in life-threatening situations. You've probably heard stories of individuals lifting cars or boulders in desperate times. This is due to adrenaline, a hormone that floods our system when we perceive danger, allowing us to temporarily exceed the limits of our physical strength. It's a miraculous reminder of our body's instinctive fight-or-flight response. Next, let's marvel at our body's remarkable ability to heal and regenerate. Ever cut your finger and watch it heal over a few days? That's your body's regenerative power at work. Skin cells divide and multiply, creating a new layer to replace the damaged one. And it's not just on the surface. Our liver can regrow after losing up to 75% of its tissue, and our bones knit back together after a fracture. But the real superhero within us is our immune system. This intricate defense system is our body's personal army, always on the front lines, fighting off harmful bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. It's a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work in harmony to keep us healthy. Even as we speak, your immune system might be warding off an invasion unbeknownst to you. And let's not forget our incredible sensory capabilities. Our eyes can distinguish about 10 million different colors, and our ears can pick up a range of frequencies from the softest whisper to the loudest rock concert. Our sense of smell is so sensitive, it can detect a single drop of perfume diffused in a 3-room apartment. Our bodies are more powerful and capable than we often give them credit for. We are walking, talking examples of nature's ingenuity and resilience. So, the next time you doubt your abilities, remember this. You are, in your own way, superhuman. Did you know there are diseases so rare, they're named after the few who've had them? From the perplexing Ondine's curse, a condition causing the loss of automatic control of breathing, to the baffling stiff person syndrome, which results in rigidity and functional impairment, these rare diseases serve as potent reminders of the mysteries that still shroud our understanding of the human body. These conditions, though rare, offer valuable insights into the intricate workings of our bodies. They're like cryptic puzzles waiting to be solved, each one potentially holding the key to unravel a little more about our biological complexities. For instance, understanding the molecular mechanisms behind paraneoplastic pemphigus, an autoimmune blistering disorder, could shed light on how our immune system sometimes turns against us. Or unraveling the genetic basis of Hutchinson-Gilford progeria, a rapid aging disease, might offer clues to the process of natural aging. These rare diseases remind us how much we still have to learn about our own bodies.